Hi lovelies, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make efo riro. So let's get started. So here is the vegetable we are going to be using to make this soup. In Yoruba language it is called efo. This is actually brought all the way from Nigeria to Germany. I just got it from the African stores. So first of all, I'm going to remove the leaf from the stalk like so.
Stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. From the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness, you just can't wait.
So this is what we've got. I'll go ahead now to use my knife and cut it into smaller bits.
Every bite's a melody. Cooking magic in your home. Cause our food is never alone.
So now we are done cutting and I'm going to be blanching this vegetable. To do that, I'll be heating some water and then pour the water into it and allow it for 5 minutes.
The best food plug in town, tasty bites around the way. Come and see them every day. Recipes that make you smile. Oh, delicious flavors with your while. Oh, whip it up and take a taste. Every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats.
After 5 minutes, I'm going to run cold water through it and rinse it out.
Stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. From the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Here, flavors pop and make you cheer. Here, recipe to match your mood. Gloss of food is best of food. Follow for delicious treats. Oh, yeah. Every bite's a melody. Yeah. Cooking magic in your home. Never alone.
So this is what we've got. This is what it looks like at the end. So next we are going to start making the sauce, and to do that we'll be needing some pepper mix, cow skin. I'm using cow skin. You can use any protein of your choice, but I'm just making do of this. And I'm also using dry catfish. This is mackerel fish. I already seasoned and fried it. I'll also be using crayfish, already grinded. This is locust beans. Got it from the local stores. So let's get started. Here I've just added some palm oil in a pot. I'm just going to allow it to heat up for like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. I'll allow the oil to just heat up before I go further. So as you can see, the oil has already heated up. I will go ahead now to add in the roughly blended peppers and onion. I'm going to allow that to fry until the oil comes on top, but I will keep stirring so it does not get burnt. You know, when the oil comes on top, there you know that the pepper is well fried.
Happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Here, flavors pop and make you cheer. Here, recipe to match your mood. Gloss of food is best of food. Follow for delicious treats. Oh,
So now the pepper mixture is well fried. As you can see, the oil has come on top. I will go ahead now to add in the locust beans, seasoning powder, some of the grinded crayfish. I'm going to keep the remaining part for later use. I'm also adding in the cow tribes. After cooking the cow tribes, I seasoned with some seasoning and salt and then air fry it. The dry fish will also go in now. I have already washed and removed all dirt and bones from it. I added some salt. Now I'm going to give that a good mix so that the pepper mixture can easily penetrate very well into the proteins. After that, I'm going to allow it to fry for about 5 minutes.
The best food plug in town, tasty bites around the way. Come and see them every day.
5 minutes later, you can see how it looks. It is well fried. You know, you have to take your time to make sure the base, as in the pepper sauce, is well fried, because this is what makes your efo riro to stand out so delicious and yummy. So now everything is set. The pepper sauce is okay. We'll now move on to add in the main G of the smell. Before adding in the vegetable, I'm going to be adding in the fried mackerel fish. I'm adding it at this point so that it does not get broken.
Hits the spot, from the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Here, flavors pop and make you cheer. Dear, recipe to match your mood. Close of food is best of food.
After that, I'm just going to give it a little stir and allow it for a while so that the pepper sauce can marinate very well into the fish. Finally, I am adding in the vegetables. Remember, we have already blanched the vegetables, so it's not going to take too long on the heat. You know, you don't have to cook your vegetables for too long so that it can retain its nutrients. I'm adding now the remaining crayfish and I'm just going to give it a good mix for everything to combine. After mixing, I will leave it for 2 more minutes and it's done. So tell me, are you going to be trying this or have you tried it before? Let us know your take on this in the comment section. And if you have been watching this video up to this point, I really do appreciate. Thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time here, you are welcome. Please do me well to subscribe to this channel. And also please do not forget to like, comment, and share this delicious recipe with friends and family. Just take a look at this. Isn't that looking so delicious? You can pair efo riro with cooked rice or with any swallow of your choice. It goes well. So thank you once again everyone for tuning in today. Hoping to see you again in my next one. Bye bye.
Every sprinkle hits the spot, from the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness, you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Here, flavors pop and make you cheer. Dear, recipe to match your mood. Close of food is best of food. Follow for delicious treats. Oh, yeah. Every bite to melody.